Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this gradient stamping. If you like nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. As my base color for this manicure, I'm going to be using Holo Indigo Away, and then for the stamping, I'm going to be using Electric Sweetener as well as Jam Session. The stamping plate I'm going to be using today is the MoYou London Looney Tunes Collection 05, and we're going to be using this design here. I'm going to be applying half in the purple and half in the red, kind of blending them as I scrape the polish off, and then I'll be applying it on my nail. Had a few places with a transfer that wasn't quite so clean, so I'm going to go ahead and do a few little touch-up stamps. I did not use any protection around my nails, but you can use liquid latex or another barrier if you prefer. I'm just going to go in with a Q-tip to deal with some of the overstamping, and then I'll be doing closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, once the cleanup is complete, we're going to finish everything off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I was originally going to use black as the base color, but I decided that Indigo Away went with the stamping colors a little better. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can see how shimmery the stamping is. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which also includes my very last MoYou London haul, which is where this image plate came from, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.